headed to Triton's to go see what they have for breakfast. And if we missed it, then we're going to Cabanas.
So you guys know, when you get here, they have bug repellent, hand sanitizing, and towels. Food's amazing. Bomb.
We just had the best fish tacos, actually shrimp tacos. Right? So good. I almost died eating the salsa. We are now on the ferry to go back to our boat, and now we have an ice pack. But it's okay. Come on, babe.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. These are our new friends. Tell us your names.
Christina and Brianna Jorgensen.
Bye, Cabo.
It's pirate night.
Hey, babe. Oh. Oh my gosh. Stop it.
No, seriously.
Let's check out your bling bling. What's that?
Bling bling.
Your gangster chain.
Oh yeah. We are on our way back to the room so I can relax and rest up a little bit because I'm feeling a little offbeat. My wife is going to be hanging around Sue and Jan and Destiny to finish off the day. They're going to wake me up after the fireworks. We're going to run to Cabanas for a secret pirates buffet. Bye!
Alright, here's our room, you guys. And this is the little surprise that we got, a little elephant. That's our blanket and our towel. And then if you look over here, this is the towel that we got yesterday, which we didn't take down because it was kind of cool. With a little bat. Got our room at night. Lights turned off.
Waiting for the fireworks show to begin. So we got a good seat and we're waiting. There's a little party happening.
Hola. We just got done eating our secret buffet.
That meal was after the fireworks. They had the Disney Pirates night party. And after that they had a firework show and we got the best seats. We actually were seated right above the ice cream shop, which is on deck 9. And so we went to deck 10, right next to the Mickey horns, I guess. Like,
yes,
what do you call that? Like the horns for the ship. It's midship, 10th floor. We could see exactly where Mickey jumped and did his little zip line across the pool. That was pretty cool. And then afterward, we went to go eat at Cabanas, which was their secret buffet. I think the only exciting thing was they had
turkey legs and
crepes.
Crepes, that's what it was.
They had these really cool watermelons that they carved out faces of pirates. But other than that, it was the same food, really, that they give you during the week. Now, it's kind of late and we're really tired. It's been a really long day. Tomorrow, we're gonna sleep in and probably pass out our fish extenders. We just want to say goodnight. Hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. All right, bye.